Let's explore how to expand your podcast presence on YouTube by posting video versions of your audio content. Buzzsprout doesn't directly upload to YouTube, but that doesn't mean you're out of luck. We can simply repurpose your podcast audio. Start with static videos. Use your podcast's cover art alongside text for episode titles and descriptions. Create a video file to upload to YouTube using programs like Canva. For a more dynamic effect, consider Waveform Animation behind your cover art. These are readily produced by several apps or professional video editors. Don't forget to optimize when uploading to YouTube. Write a compelling title with related keywords, crafting an engaging description, and adding all the applicable tags. Craft eye-catching custom thumbnails. Your visuals should match your podcast branding, capture viewers' attention. Lastly, use calls to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel, then direct them to listen to your podcast. Cross-promote to grow your audience. Now convert and get your Buzzsprout content onto YouTube.